Alright, everybody. Let's talk. Oh, it's not. Oh, yeah, it is recording. Okay, here we go. I got 2 plates of Little Necks. I don't even know how many I got, but I'll show you. I got a few here, and I got a lot here. I don't have any hot sauce, so I'm gonna have to use mustard. And there's my little buddy right there. Look, buddy, it's for you. Okay, enough wasting time because I only got 6 minutes to do this. So, here we go. I haven't had these in a long time, so. And I got my big, large cup of whatever it is with ice. Okay, here we go. Hope you like it. Okay, I'm ain't gonna win. You okay?
50. Way to go over, right over there. 50. Come on over here, Frederick. That'll be the 50 to you.
This is gonna kill my stomach ache. I got the big ones on the bottom.
How about an 80? You understand that? Nice meeting you, Julio. Take care. Come on over here, Shirley. Good luck. Gotta beat an 80. Shirley has to beat an 80. You want to say hi?
Oh! I just spilled that all over the place. All the juice. Hold on. Dizzy. There we go. Here's the other one. Time to try to put a dent in that.
Nice to meet you, Frederick. You're ready to the showcase. Congratulations. How about that? Hey, guess what? If you're just getting recent episodes of the show, you can watch them on CBS.com. We got more for you there coming up in a little way. Thank you.
Shell. Oh my god. Ooh.
What's the #1 retinol brand used most by dermatologists? It's Neutrogena. Rapid wrinkle repair. Smooth the look of fine lines in 1 week. Take wrinkles in 4.
Oh, that's a big one.
People everywhere living with type 2 diabetes are waking up to what's possible with Rybelsus.
It's not even 11:30 yet. By the time it's uploaded, it's gonna be like 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock. Maybe I'll just upload it to YouTube because it's almost 6 minutes long, yeah.
Ask your healthcare provider about Rybelsus today.
This is a delicate situation that requires thoughtful resolution.
Let's go follow it in.
Any suspects?
Only one. We have enough evidence.
One more. That's it.
She's a murderer. We need to find out. A new NCIS tonight on CBS and streaming on Paramount Plus.
Restore people's faith in what we do. And gotta have the truth.
A new CSI Vegas, Wednesday, 10/9 Central on CBS.
Welcome back, everybody. Welcome back. Hey, let's get another contestant out here.
They're very good.
It's gonna be Ivan Lobo.
That was delicious. Nice and sweet. Dug those the other day. Very good. Have a good day.